My name is Bena Gorhama. I'm the founder and creative director of Byredo. In our collaboration with IKEA, we've decided to tackle the notion of invisible design. Imagine evoking emotions, ideas, and feelings without ever seeing anything.
I think smell in the home is really interesting because it's an area of the home which it actually is invisible. You know, you can actually create your home with this sense of invisible design, bringing different smells into the home which evoke different memories. This idea inspired our collaboration with Bena Gorhama.
I think this collaboration is unique primarily because it comes with an entirely different set of challenges. It is less about us creating something and implementing it through IKEA, and more about the word collaboration in its true sense, to challenge and innovate the way that scent has been perceived. In this collaboration, we hope to bring it to the forefront, engaging people in their ideas around what smells are and could be. And we're truly excited about that.
With this design collaboration, we wanted to be a little bit different. We didn't want to just do 1 or 2 scents with Ben. That would have been really largon. We thought it was really interesting by actually having a really wide offer, and that's why we've gone really wide with 13 different scents that each stand on their own. But you can also like 2 or 3 at the same time to create your own smell, so at least one would resonate with you and evoke different memories in your home.
The world of smells is unlimited, and as I continue to live and travel, and I'll always be able to experience new smells. And I find that fulfilling to know that just as we will travel to see things and meet people, that I'll be able to experience new smells moving forward.
The home isn't just about having things that are functional and practical. It's a place where you come together and live with your family and friends and make great memories. So all that's left to ask is, what does home smell like?